right, Redskins ball, 1st and 10, 48-yard line. Hurricanes on defense.
Go, D! Outside containment, TN, let's go! Dominate, kid, dominate! Hey, Riders, don't be... Keep your hands on your guys, let's go. Try to jam him. 45 up the middle, Rudy, T! Let that hold, let's go! Stay low, guys! Run! Hit him! Good job, Keanu!
All right, nice tackle, Hurricanes. It's going to be 2nd down. Looks like a gain of 3.
Good job!
It's going to be like 2nd and 7. Number 45 on the run for the Redskins.
You got to see that and read it. You got to get in that hole. Rapello, be a bull in there. Let's go. Watch your side, team. Go, team. Tackle low. Get in there, bud. Watch 45. 45. Watch the guy. Carver pass.
Incomplete pass. Going to be 3rd down and 7.